Daddy, we about to be rich, baby.
So right now I'm driving the car and it doesn't feel any different. Like, I'm honestly confused as to why people say like it's bouncy or stiff and it takes away some of like the luxurious feel and everything like that. It really doesn't. It drives the same. Like, people are saying like when you hit a bump it's bouncy or rough or it's like jarring, and they're saying like when they got it for like their significant others and whatnot didn't like the way the ride felt and all types of fuckery. It doesn't drive any different. Like, the H&R Lowering Springs ride literally the exact same as stock. Like, if anything, it feels better than stock, and I have driven this for many hours, so I have like a good, like, you know, like, I'm pretty used to how they feel, and this is not different in a bad way. It's different in a good way. Like, the car feels like more controlled. And also another thing, I have these stock lowering links in. The car lowers itself an inch automatically, so I'm honestly not sure why people do the lowering links, because you have to run x5m's with rake. The back has to be lower than the front, or the car will not be, like, it won't drive properly. Like, not sure why, but just the way the cars are made, it doesn't drive right without rake. So yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's rake or reverse rake, but whichever one means the front is lower than the back. Like, the back has to be a little bit higher for the car to drive properly and for it to perform and handle. Like, if it's not, if it's not, then it won't handle properly. But like, this feels so much better. Like, it's absorbing the bumps better than it did. And let me put it in with the EDC and stuff on, so it's gonna be a little bit more firm. But like, yeah, this feels a lot better. So I'm really not too sure what people were talking about. This is probably the best mod that I've done. Yeah. No, this literally feels the same. Like, it's absorbing bumps the same way it did when it was stock. So yeah, give me a second. This thing really picks up speed so easily, and I'm not even floored, by the way. Like, that's really crazy. This drives so much better. I'm really surprised. So what this feels like is when I did the KW ass kit on the E92 M3, like, it just makes the car feel better. Like, it just makes the car feel like this is how it was supposed to have been. So I'm really not sure what people were talking about with the whole, like, it makes the car feel like less luxurious and rougher and everything. It does not. So what I do expect, what I do believe is that they installed it wrong, because there is a wrong way to install these. Like, the suspension only goes in properly and sits flat one way. So what I believe is that people installed it wrong, because this feels wonderful. Like, and I'm not the type to, like, I'm not getting paid for this. I paid for it to be installed, so it's just like, there's no like reason for me to try and lie, because I'm not gonna get any money if you do buy this. Like, but yeah, this feels great. So I'm pretty confused as to what people were talking about, but yeah. yeah, this thing really just gets up and goes. Like, yeah, this feels so great. I really like this car, like, a lot. Well, SUV, whatever. But, yes, this thing is great. It's just such a great, like, and there's no downpipes, no tune, no exhaust. Like, it's still just stock. There's no bigger, wider wheel. And again, the wheels that I'm going to get are also lighter, so the car is going to feel better again. They're wider and lighter. So, yeah, that's going to be another cool thing. But, like, look at this. Let me give myself a little more space and just give you guys a tiny little press of the throttle. But but yeah, I love this car so much. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is just like driving with thing on, me giving you guys my first impressions. But I've been driving over bumps and everything this whole time, slow speeds, high speeds. Like, I just took that bump at about 80, and it feels better than stock, so I just really don't know. But I got these basically for $100, so yeah, like, this is the best mod that you can do. Like, $140 into this car so far, $40 for the front grills in black, $100 for the lowering springs. Car looks completely different, drives better. Like, yeah, this is great. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one, I guess. Peace.